You're trying to eat healthy. You've stopped eating processed foods. You're cooking at home more. You make salads. You saute vegetables. You reach for the bottle of heart-healthy oil, the canola oil, the vegetable oil, the sunflower oil, the ones the TV told you were the healthy choice. But you still feel awful. Your joints still ache. Your brain feels foggy and slow. You feel tired, stiff, and inflamed. You are doing everything right, so why do you still feel so wrong? This is the biggest lie in modern nutrition. The problem isn't your food, the problem is what you are cooking your food in. Those heart-healthy vegetable oils, they are the silent killers in your kitchen. They are not food, they are industrial, chemical-laden liquids that are the #1 cause of chronic inflammation in our diet. You think you are being healthy, but you are swallowing a dose of liquid inflammation with every single meal. Today, we are exposing the 5 healthy cooking oils that are secretly fueling your joint pain, causing your brain fog, and destroying your health from the inside out. I will show you why they are so toxic, and I will reveal the 3 healing oils you must use instead. The ones that fight inflammation, protect your brain, and heal your body. If you have any of these oils in your kitchen right now, comment the word oils down below. This is an urgent intervention. Let's begin with the biggest fraud on the supermarket shelf, canola oil, or what I call the heart-healthy fraud.
Canola stands for Canadian Oil Low Acid. It's an engineered crop. It's marketed as healthy because it's low in saturated fat. But what they don't tell you is how it's made. Canola oil is an industrial product. It's produced by using high heat, which destroys any potential nutrients, and a chemical solvent called hexane, a component of gasoline, to extract the oil from the seeds. It is then deodorized and bleached to remove the horrible smell and cloudy color. The final product in that clear plastic bottle is no longer a food. It is a highly processed inflammatory substance. It's high in unstable omega-6 fats that have been damaged by the heat. When you cook with it, it oxidizes even more, creating free radicals that attack your cells. It is not heart-healthy. It is an inflammatory fraud. Villain number 2 is the one that's hiding in everything, soybean oil, or the omega-6 bomb. Even if you don't buy the bottle, you are eating this. Go read the label on your salad dressing, your mayonnaise, your crackers, your store-bought bread. It's everywhere. Here's the problem. Soybean oil is extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't bad. Your body needs it. But it needs it in the right ratio to omega-3, the anti-inflammatory fat. The healthy ratio should be 1:1. Because of oils like this, the modern American ratio is 20:1. When you have 20 times more omega-6 than omega-3, your body is in a constant, raging state of inflammation. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire. Every time you eat that salad dressing, you are drinking a dose of inflammation that goes straight to your joints and your brain. It is an omega-6 bomb, and it is the primary driver of the aches and pains you feel every single day. Villain number 3 is its close cousin, corn oil, or the leaky gut trigger. Just like soybean oil, corn oil is another vegetable oil that is incredibly high in inflammatory omega-6s. But it has another problem. Most corn in the U.S. is genetically modified to be resistant to pesticides like Roundup or glyphosate. Traces of this chemical can end up in the final oil, and glyphosate has been shown to destroy your gut lining, the protective barrier in your stomach. This leads to leaky gut, a condition where food particles and toxins leak from your gut into your bloodstream, triggering a massive immune response, brain fog, skin problems, and, you guessed it, more inflammation.
You are not just getting a high dose of omega-6. You are getting a leaky gut trigger that is attacking the very foundation of your immune system. Let's move to number 4, the ones that sound healthy: sunflower and safflower oil, or the unstable oxidizer. Sunflower, that sounds natural. Safflower, that sounds healthy. These are the deceptive villains. Yes, they come from a flower, but they go through the same high-heat chemical hexane process as canola oil. Their biggest problem is instability. These oils are polyunsaturated, which means they are chemically fragile. The moment you heat them, the moment they hit your hot frying pan, they oxidize. They break down and create hundreds of toxic byproducts, including aldehydes, which are known carcinogens. You are literally creating free radicals in your kitchen, the very same damaging molecules that antioxidants, like vitamin C, are supposed to fight. You are frying your food in a substance that is aging you faster. And finally, villain number 5, margarine and vegetable shortening, or the trans fat ghost. You've heard that trans fats are bad, so you stopped eating them, and manufacturers removed them. But what did they replace them with? They replaced them with a new, equally damaging process. They are now interesterified fats. It's a different chemical process, but the result is the same: a fake, unnatural, plastic fat that your body does not recognize. It's a chemical sludge. This sludge still causes inflammation. It still damages your arteries. It is still metabolically destructive. You think you are choosing a healthier spread than butter, but you are just eating a different kind of poison. Okay, so the entire oils aisle is a minefield. What is left? What are you supposed to cook with? The solution is simple. You just have to follow one rule. Use the fats that your great-grandparents used. It's time to fire those 5 industrial villains and hire these 3 healing heroes.
Hero number 1, extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, or the Polyphenol King. This is the king of salad dressings and low-heat cooking. Why? Because real extra virgin olive oil is not processed with heat or chemicals. It is crushed. It's a fruit juice. It's packed with polyphenols, which are powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidants. It is the core of the Mediterranean diet for a reason. Here is the rule. Use it for salads. Drizzle it on vegetables after they are cooked. Use it for low-heat sautéing. Never let it smoke. Hero number 2, avocado oil, or the high-heat hero. So, what do you use for high-heat cooking, like searing or roasting? You hire avocado oil. Avocado oil is a monounsaturated fat, which makes it much more stable than the vegetable oils. It has a very high smoke point. This means you can cook with it at high temperatures and it will not break down, oxidize, or create those toxic inflammatory compounds. It is the perfect, safe, and effective neutral-tasting oil for your everyday cooking. And hero number 3, coconut oil and ghee, or the brain and gut healers. For high-heat cooking, avocado oil is your perfect neutral hero. But for specialty cooking, when you want to add healing benefits, these are your powerhouses. First, coconut oil. This is the brain-boosting hero. For decades, we were told to fear this saturated fat. That was a myth. Coconut oil is full of a unique fat called MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. Your body doesn't process MCTs like other fats. It sends them directly to your liver, which turns them into ketones, a superfuel that your brain can use for instant energy. If you suffer from brain fog, starting your day with a teaspoon of coconut oil or cooking your eggs in it is one of the fastest ways to feed your brain a clean, powerful fuel source. Second, ghee, or the gut-healing hero. Ghee is clarified butter. It has been used for thousands of years. By clarifying it, the inflammatory milk proteins like casein and lactose are removed. What's left is a pure, stable fat that is rich in butyrate. Butyrate is a short-chain fatty acid that is the primary fuel source for the cells lining your gut. If you suffer from digestive issues or leaky gut, which we know causes inflammation, cooking with ghee is like applying a coat of healing balm to your entire digestive system. So, you have EVOO for salads, avocado oil for high heat, and coconut and ghee for healing your brain and gut. You see the difference? The villains are cheap, industrial, and unstable. The heroes are ancient, natural, and specialized. Your joint pain and brain fog are not a mystery. They are the direct result of the cheap, inflammatory oils you've been told are healthy. It's time to do a kitchen detox. Now I want to hear from you. Go to your pantry right now. Which one of these 5 villains are you going to throw in the trash tonight? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you understand the big fat lie of our food industry, please hit that like button. And finally, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell, because in our next video, we are going to expose the 5 healthy fish that you should never eat. Thank you for watching. Be smart and cook with real food.